Hey guys, right now I'm getting ready to prank my mom, and when she drives up, I'm going to splash all this water on her car window. So I'm going to hide somewhere so she doesn't see me waiting. So I'm gonna hide somewhere outside to wait. Hee. I'm going to hide. I'm going to hide right here. When we get closer, my mom's gonna be home in like 10 minutes, so I'll duck down when it gets closer so she still doesn't see me. I'm actually waiting here under a tree because it's raining where I live right now, so I'm going to wait right here. Don't worry, guys, I know it looks dark. I'm still here, don't worry. Here's some light right here. Yep, I'm still here, don't worry. Oh, here she comes.